You've read the title, so you know what it is. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I've got my 2023 Indian Scout Rogue, and I've got, as the title says, some new floorboards for it. I got these off of Amazon. They should pretty much bolt up pretty easy without any modifications. So, I mean, there's not much to it. Just take these stock pegs off and swap these things over. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's see what came in the box. We got both, obviously, the floorboards. Got your pin insert. Well, if I can get it out of the package. A little insert that goes into the side of the floorboard here. It's got like a rubber washer here, or a rubber O-ring. I don't know why I said washer. Rubber O-ring. And then you have your feeler peg, slider peg, whatever you want to call it, that goes on the bottom. These things look pretty freaking long, and I'm probably going to grind the crap out of them, but anyway. And then it has some Indian stickers and your snap rings to hold them on. So I don't know if I'm going to put the Indian little decal on it. Obviously these things aren't Indian, but all right, well, let's get to taking these things off. All right guys, so to take these pegs off, there's this little metal washer thing. Let's see if I can focus camera. But it's like rolled onto the end of the pin, and you got to try to get it off. I used this little pocket screwdriver on the other side and was able to kind of walk it off. So let's see if I can't get it off here.
Got a lot of different boats actually fit.
Oh,
I measured it.
let me drop in the camera. So,
it's faster than one, but it's not as stable as the last one. And then with you on the other side, it equals it out.
She did it. Well, you don't like it when I say anything like that?
Nah. Yeah, he said like 30-some thousand.
all right, so that came off easy enough, and then from there, it's just,
Which was actually really nice, but
and then
like the
that's
price
off.
they quoted you would be for metal granite.
All right, so from here we can got that one off. We can take the floorboard, take our little insert here. So I don't think I want to use that washer or that O-ring. I don't know why I keep wanting to call it washer. O-ring. And this goes into the side of that. And then that's gonna go on in there. Oop. Set you down. In there. And then I'm gonna run the pin from the front like it was factory. Like that. And then a snap ring. And then you can put on the Indian logo if you like. Oh yeah, and then you got your feeler that goes into back here. Let's flip this one over so it goes in like that, and then just kind of screws in. But super easy install. I think they look pretty good overall. Nice. So I think that's gonna be it. All right, well, I just got back from my buddy's house. It's about a 45-minute ride with the new floorboards. So they look pretty good. I like them. They definitely feel way better than just pegs, especially riding on the highway and stuff. I feel like my heel just would relax and hang really low. So that keeps my foot flat level on the ground. And the peg, that little peg hangs down. It's pretty freaking long. It's pretty long, but I've done some pretty deep turns whenever I was coming home just to see if it would touch, and it did not. So I like them. They look, I love the way they look on the bike. They ride really well. I like the way they feel. Like I feel more planted on the bike. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. So hopefully there'll be some more Indian motorcycle content on the channel. This is my first bike. I'm going to do a few more other things to it. So be sure to subscribe. Like as always. Till next time.